Robert E. Speer, says that several years ago, he was being entertained by the president of a small college in the South. The school had limited guest facilities, so the head of the institution offered him his apartment. I woke up early the next morning, said Speer, when I heard someone tippy-toe into my room. I lay there quietly with my eyes open just a slit to see who it was. To my surprise, the president of the college walked in, picked up my dirty boots, and walked out. I got out of bed, opened the door just a crack, and watched him take them down to the adjoining hallway, where he got down on the floor and began polishing my boots. I could have cried at the sight. His hospitality and thoughtfulness showed me what a great man he really was. Some years after that, he rose to a national prominence because of his complete humility of spirit. God elevated him to a higher position. It tells us in Matthew 23:11, the greatest among you must be what? Your leaders? A servant.